Wiring an LED. Here is what you need. One LED, one resistor, soldering iron and some solder, and a multimeter if you have one lying around. I could not fit the buggering multimeter in the shot. Any digital multimeter will be good for this. Don't worry if yours is not super accurate. The LED has an anode, which is positive, and a cathode, which is negative. We will be soldering a wire and a 150 ohm resistor to these connections. There you go, place you down there gently. Right, time for some maths. This is to help you to find the correct resistor value for your LED. First we need to calculate the voltage drop. Say we have a constant power supply of 5 volts and we have a forward voltage of 2 volts. Simply subtract 2 from 5 and you are left with 3 volts. Now stay with me here. Using the formula, resistance equals volts divided by current, we can find the correct resistor value. So, we know that the LED current is 20 milliamps and the volts is equal to 3. So, 3 divided by 0.02 equals 150 ohms. Here we did it. I am doing a little dance just for you, I'll have you know. Here I have used some Play-Doh to hold the LED for soldering. Right now for the fun stuff, I am soldering the resistor to the anode first. Oh, there you go, butter you up nicely. Done. Oh, you are a tricky bugger, come here, so I can butter you up too. Oh, there you go, job's a good 'un. And I will just solder you up too. Now that is pretty much it. This is what it should look like now that you are done. Now we can take a look with the multimeter to see what the resistor is doing. Stay still, you bugger. As you can see, the multimeter reads 5 volts before the resistor. Now you can see the multimeter now reads 3 volts after the resistor. Success. Yes, I think so. Please note I am using different voltages and LEDs compared to the example I used. If you enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe, and also tweet, Facebook, Google+, Vine, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Tumblr, Bebo, MySpace this video please. Ta-ta and farewell.